If you want to delete your Facebook account due to any reason, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Also, this will be a short, easy, and to the point tutorial, so just remember the channel name Hascry and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Facebook application and tap on these three lines here in the top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Then tap here on Account Center. Then tap on Personal Details. Then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on this second option, Deactivation or Deletion, tap on it. Then select this second option, Delete Account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you've shared on Facebook. Your main profile, your messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. Once understood, tap on Continue. Here, select any reason and press on Continue. Again, press Continue. Scroll down and tap on Continue. Enter your Facebook account password here, and your Facebook account will be deleted. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.